What is up guys, Lippis here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download and install Windows 11 on your computer. First you have to type in download Windows 11, go to Microsoft's website and download the Windows 11 installation media. Open the file. You can close the browser, accept the appliance and licensing terms, select your language and edition or use the automatically selected ones and select USB flash drive. Keep in mind that it have to be at least 8 GB in size. Select your USB flash drive and it will download and create it automatically. You just sit back and relax. Then when it's done, click on finish and it will close up automatically. If you want to create an ISO file, you have to select create ISO, select the location where you want to save it, and it is the exact same as the USB flash drive. You don't have to do anything, just sit back and it will do its thing. Then when it's finished, you can click on the location and use it for anything that you would like to, or click on finish and it will close up automatically. Installing Windows 11 is easy too. Just select your language, time and keyboard input method. So if you have this error that your PC can't run Windows 11, don't skip in this video, because next I'm gonna show you how can you skip the checks of your computer eligibility. Restart your computer and before clicking on install now, press Shift plus F10. That will open the CMD. Type in regedit, hit enter and go to HKey local machine system setup, where you have to create a new key. Name it lab config. Right click new dword 32-bit value. You have to do this 3 times. First time you have to name it bypass DPM check. Second, you name it bypass secure boot check. And third, you name it bypass RAM check. This is not a must-have because probably you have more than 4 GB of RAM in your computer. Then you have to set every one of your dwords value to 1. When you are done, close up everything and then select install now. If you have a license key, type in your license key, otherwise click on I don't have a license key. Currently I will install Windows 11 Pro, but there is no difference between the installation of them except the licenses, and hit on custom. Important, if your drive looks like something like this, you probably installed Windows on it. For create a save if you want, and then you have to delete all the partitions on your drive 0. And then select next. It will automatically install Windows 11 for you and you have to just sit back and relax. Then when you are rebooted, if you've done everything correctly, this screen will show up. You select your country and region, select the keyboard, add the layout or skip this step, and you have to connect to a network in order to set up your Windows 11 installation. Then it will restart your computer because for some reason it have to install updates. And then when you are restarted, you name your computer. And then if you want to log in to your Microsoft account, select personal use. But if you want to create local account, select setup for work or school, and then select sign in options, domain join instead. And you can enter any name you want for your local account. Select your privacy settings. It depends on your choice. And you will boot into Windows 11's desktop. This will take some time, so just be patient. And you are ready to use your computer. And if you like this video, please kindly do the YouTube things, and bye.